Hello and welcome back to Green Source. In this video we're demonstrating fuel-saving results of our car kit hydrogen generator and our Pro Tuner sensor controller. The test vehicle is a Jeep Liberty 3.7 liter gasoline engine, and we'll be making 3 tests. The first, just baseline original vehicle condition. Second, we'll add the hydrogen, and third test, we'll add the Pro Tuner sensor controller. Here in our standard test setup, we have a Pro Tuner sensor controller at right, and on the left we have an ultra gauge OBD scanner, which plugs directly into the mechanics port and gives you real-time information about what's happening in the vehicle, including instantaneous fuel economy and absolute throttle position based as a percentage. During our tests, we'll be monitoring instantaneous fuel economy and the throttle position of the accelerator pedal. All tests will be performed at 90 kilometers per hour on flat roads. For our baseline fuel economy test, first we reset the controller. This turns off the hydrogen and all sensor controls, returning the vehicle to its original condition. Then we accelerate the vehicle up to speed at 90 kilometers per hour and tried to hold the accelerator pedal at exactly 20% throttle position. This is very important because the accelerator directly controls the amount of fuel used. We need to repeat all tests at precisely the same throttle position in order to have a valid experiment. Once we are at 20% throttle position, we take the fuel economy measurement, and here you can see it is 23.4 miles per gallon. Now that we have an accurate baseline measurement, we introduce hydrogen to the engine and retest the fuel economy. We're using the industry standard 8 amps for an engine of this size. We repeat our test conditions, 90 kilometers per hour, and get the throttle position to precisely 20% again. The same 23.4 miles per gallon, maybe 23.6. On this vehicle, simply by adding hydrogen, we achieve virtually no improvement in fuel economy. This is a very common failure, including the one by popular mechanics and thousands of other frustrated users. The reason for this is that by adding hydrogen, we change the combustion properties of the gasoline. We reduce toxic emissions substantially. As a result, more oxygen is passing through the exhaust system. The oxygen sensors detect this change, and the onboard computer adds more fuel to compensate. As you can see, this completely canceled the economy gains of our test. If you don't adjust the oxygen sensors, you'll achieve an improvement in power, but little or no gains in the fuel economy. The solution for this problem is a Pro Tuner sensor controller. It's compatible with any vehicle and designed to optimize all the sensors of the fueling system, including the oxygen sensors. So, for our third test, we'll leave the hydrogen on and adjust the sensors with Pro Tuner. We start with the front oxygen sensor, then the IAT. Note, we start at 34 degrees Celsius, and for this vehicle we'll increase it up to 95 degrees. If you watch closely, you'll see the fuel economy start to increase already just by adjusting this single sensor. Then we adjust the coolant temperature sensor from 95 to 99 degrees Celsius. We adjust the rear oxygen sensor. Finally, the map sensor. Then repeat the test case of 20% throttle position at 90 kilometers per hour. As you can see, we have increased the fuel economy of this vehicle to 36 miles per gallon. This is a 54% increase over our original economy of 23.4. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you too will enjoy the economic and environmental benefits of hydrogen.